Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get more followers in Adult Cult Empire. It's very quick and easy, so let's get into it. Now, Idol Cult Empire is all about growing your cult through followers and idol resource generation. And the number one priority early on is followers. Right now, I have 4 followers, and you can check this at the very top. As you can see, 4 out of 4. Now, more followers means more resources, so always upgrade housing and assign followers to production buildings like wood, stone, and gold. But how do we get those followers? Now, you have to scroll down at the very bottom. You'll see the available followers there. It says 5 out of 5, but we have to convert them first. Now, to do this, we have to start an initiation through this gate, this one. So I have to upgrade this first. That way I can have a total of 5 followers on this village. As you can see at the very top, it now says 4 out of 5. Now we can recruit new cultists. So let's go ahead and tap initiation. And by the way, you want to make sure that you have 100% full faith. To get faith, just access this chapel. All right, now I have 100%. So right now I'm converting 1 cultist, as you can see there. And just like that, I have an additional member to the cult. Says at the top, it's now 5 out of 5. You can do this just by upgrading your gate. So it says here now I have to have 150k bones. So this is the source of that. So I just have to upgrade this. That way I can have more cult followers on my village. And basically that's it. Now you know how to get more followers in Idol Cult Empire and just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!